Maayong hapon. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Magsay and welcome to the 2026 Palarong Pambansa right here at Patinay Prosperidad Province of Agusan del Sur. This is match number 28 of Volleyball Girls Elementary to play between your team, Rambang Samoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, Barn. And your team from Negros Island Region in Leon.
Iba si Malingaw po pala. Wala na cellphone mo. Hindi mo na ako cellphone.
The national referees for this match. The first referee, Francis O. Espargo. And your second referee, Jonathan B. Guzman. And for the starting lineup for Barn, we have wearing jersey number 4, Guwati. Wearing jersey number 6, Papa. Wearing jersey number 8, Pasawilan. Wearing jersey number 10, Pasawilan. Wearing jersey number 13, Bala. And wearing jersey number 15, Rihanna Limahono. And let's meet the starting players for the LR. Wearing jersey number 1, Lim.
Manang!
Wearing jersey number 11, O'Neill. Wearing jersey number 13, Valenciano. Wearing jersey number 14, Medina. And wearing jersey number 16, Philomena.